Welcome to Tea Talk and Reviews.
Alright, so we are done.
And we just came out.
We got some stuff, not everything that we needed. I was gonna make soup for meal prep this week. They didn't have any. They didn't have any rotisserie chickens, which is kind of annoying. I don't feel like going to another store. Wait, Gray. So, I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna load the bags up before it starts raining again. Grayson got a little Lego something or another that he's going to build and put on Gray Vision. Alright, so because we spent so much time in Target and they didn't have everything I needed, and it's kind of late and I just don't feel like cooking, so we went to Alpaca. Here's the food. So yeah, no cooking for me today.